Hi everybody, welcome to the dungeon. Today we have another study of color, and the color that we are going to review today is Apple Blush 411. And I wanted to clear something up real quick. I know this color as Moretti, and when I went to the website, they now seem to call it just Effetre. So I'm assuming, because I know Moretti and Effetre were, I think, together now. Maybe Moretti is not there and it's just Effetre glass. So it's Effetre 411 Apple Blush. And I really enjoyed this color. It was different from what I had expected. I thought there'd be a little bit more like appley green in it instead of just the yellow. It worked out great. It was really smooth. The pull from the stringer was super nice. Okay, the first bead that I made was, as always, just a barrel-shaped bead, and it turned out like when I pulled this out of the annealer, I was surprised at how yellow it was. It was just super yellow. But the more I look at it in a different light, there is a little bit of a little hint of green in there. It's a pretty color though. The second one I made is where I got, I think this was my favorite one. The second one I made had a lot more color in it that was a little different and changing. And this is the one that I just put clear on and heated it up and put it away. And it actually looks really cool. It came out with some really nice extra colors in there, some orange tones and some lighter green to yellow tones. Okay, now this is the one I used the stringer on, one of them, and it's just on white. And interestingly enough, I see a little bit more green in the stringer on white than I do in just the color itself. The next one I made looks kind of like a honeycomb bead. There it is. And it is, again, it's on white with clear on top of all the dots of Apple Blush. And it didn't, I like the way it came out. It just wasn't quite what I expected, but it is a beautiful color. Okay, so last but not least, I just wanted to try it out on clear. And so I used clear for my base, and then I put the stringer around it. And then just to see a little bit more interest and depth, I added a clear band spiraling down the bead. And that actually came out really, really nice. I love the way it looks. I do like this color. I appreciate it for what it is. It looks like it could come in handy for anything from honey to a slight appley green and yellow and orange. So there's a lot to see in this color. It's a very fruity looking color, mango or something, I don't know, with a hint of green. I am going to give this color a thumbs up, and I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. If you have this color, let me know how you feel about it. If you don't and you like it, run out and get some. It's pretty cool. Other than that, you guys, have a great day, and we will see you on another color study in the dungeon. Bye.